This is called Rambutan. It is a very freaky fruit. I'm going to bring it close to the camera so you can see it. Now this one has been sitting for a few days, but this grows in a tree like this one in the tropics. And these are spiny, but they're soft. So this thing has been sitting in water. So you can see here it's gone a little bit dark. But what I'm going to do is, for the first time, I'm going to open up one of these. And we're going to have a look at how to open one up and what it's like inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel around with a knife, but not too deep. You can see the knife is kind of a little bit sharp, so if I'm putting pressure, it's cutting in deep. I'm just going to run the knife along the circle, and there we go. You see? So here it is. So I'm just going to remove this. Now I read inside these is a seed. So I'm just going to wash my knife for a second. And I read the seed is kind of large. So I'm just going to, again, very carefully carve this, cut a circle around it, and let's see if we can get to the seed. Oh yes, here it is. There we go. Wow. Unbelievable. It's sweet. I just had a piece. It's good. My first time eating this. It's quite good. This seed, I'm going to grow a tree from this. So here we go. You can see here, this is the fleshy that was kind of around the seed. And you can just pull it apart and eat it, and it's delicious. It's sweet. It's like a sweet jelly. Delicious. And this was the outside. And they sell these actually in carts all over town here. They're these long, like twice the size of a wheelbarrow. The going rate is 50 pesos per kilo. So that's about $2.50 US. I highly recommend trying these. They are delicious. Have a look at some of the other videos on our channel. We did one on GMO watermelon versus real watermelon. Have a look at that. You're going to see a card probably up here, so click the card and see you again in the next one.